In this video, you'll learn how to create an online movie ticket booking system using WordPress. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to set up a functional website for booking movie tickets, ensuring you understand each part of the process. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once there, locate the section labeled Sites. This area is typically found at the top of the page. Clicking on it will direct you to your current sites or the option to create a new one. Next, look for the button that says Create with AI. This option utilizes artificial intelligence to help streamline the website creation process. Upon clicking this button, you will be taken to a new interface where the AI can assist in laying the foundation of your site. After that, you will see a prompt labeled Laying the Foundations. Click on this option to allow the AI to begin setting up the basic structure of your site. It may take a moment for the system to process your request, so be patient while it loads. Once this appears, you will see a message indicating that you can create a website as unique as you. This message is part of the AI's guidance. Type in the phrase, "Create an online movie ticket booking system" into the designated text field to specify the type of site you want to create. Click on the Enter key to confirm your input. This action will trigger the AI to generate relevant options tailored to your request. You should see a confirmation message indicating that WordPress.com can indeed create a movie ticket booking system. Next, type in the phrase "Choose the choice" given above in response to the options presented by the AI. This step ensures that the AI understands your preference and can proceed accordingly. Click Enter again to finalize this selection. The system will respond by confirming your input and will continue to guide you through the setup process. You will then receive a prompt asking what your website should be called, which is the site title that will appear in the browser tab. Type in a suitable name for your movie ticket booking website. Press Enter to confirm the site name. This action is important as it helps establish your brand identity within the online space. A new prompt will appear asking for a short tagline or description to display in search results and social previews. This description will help potential visitors understand what your site offers. Type in a brief tagline that encapsulates the essence of your movie ticket booking service. Confirm your input by clicking Enter. Next, click on the button labeled Create My Site. This action signifies that you are ready to proceed with the website creation process and the system will start the final setup. You will see a message saying, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is working on generating your website. During this time, it is essential to be patient as the process may take a moment. Wait for the website generation to complete. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of your site, this might take a while. Ensure that your internet connection is stable during this process to avoid interruptions. Once the generation finishes, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your website has been successfully created. You can now begin customizing it further to meet your specific needs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.